guys, it's Janae. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been on here in a long time, and I want to change that because I want this channel to really grow. So I'm going to try to post at least twice a week. So I've been wanting to decorate my room for a long time, and I finally am able to do that the way I want to. So in this video, I'm going to be redecorating my room. I'm going to be doing everything with my bed, decorations, new furniture, everything. I didn't buy everything all at once because I felt like if I tried to get everything at once, I would go broke, and I didn't want that. And I wasn't really in a rush to buy everything. Everything I got was from either Walmart, Ross, Wayfair, Target, or Amazon. Those are the only 5 stores that I actually shopped at for everything that I bought in my room. There's an outlet in the side. Oh my, it's beautiful. This thing is huge. I love this. Okay, now we're gonna put the cord in. Okay, are you ready? Oh! Okay, I'm gonna turn this ring light off to see how it looks. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so here it is. Yes. Oh, I got my Himalayan salt lamp. I got my candle. I got my fake plant. Oh, y'all not ready? Y'all not ready for this room tour? Y'all not ready, yo. Y'all not ready. So my bed finally came in the mail, but I think the first thing I'm gonna do is undo that bed. So I have to take the sheets off and then the mattresses, and we'll get back to this.
game. It's a rich thing.
Alright, so that is my room. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I promise you I will be back and posting regularly. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.